This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ivania Bosch. Great rental townhouse located in gated community of Wynchase at ForeRanch. New laminate flooring. All previous carpeting has been replaced with durable, laminate flooring. Tile floors in kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry closet. Washer/dryer are conveniently located on second level. Community swimming pool and gym use are included in rent as well as the community playground, volleyball and basketball courts. Utilities, SECO Electric and City of Ocala Water. Move-in costs are first month's rent plus $1,700 security deposit. Non-refundable application fee $55 per adult. HOA application fee is $100. Pool access cards are $10 each $20 vehicle gate stickers. For more information, review the details below or contact Ivania Bosch at 352-361-3062.